Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send Cardano, so ADA basically from a Bitstamp to your Yoroi wallet, okay? It's very easy. Now the first thing that you need to go ahead and do, you need to go ahead and download and set up your Yoroi wallet, okay? So on your PC or mobile, then make sure that you have your, C phrase safely, you don't want to lose access. And then you just fund your wallet by sending ADA from, an exchange or another wallet. And once you have ADA in your ROI, what you want to do is you want to go here to the staking tab on the left hand panel. Okay, this is where you can see your stake pools. So you want to look for pools basically with good performance and low fees. Okay, so even small pools work fine, and you just select the pool you want, and then you hit here on delegate. Okay, and your role will basically ask for a confirmation, and that's it. ADA will now be staked, and it will be earning rewards automatically. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.